Should you buy FiLMiC Pro Cinematographer Kit? That's what we're going to be answering in today's video. Hey guys, welcome to Mobile Creators, giving you the tips, tricks, and tools to create awesome content on nothing but your smartphone. So if you're into filmmaking, photography, podcasting, anything to do with creating content on your phone, be sure to go down in the description, check out the videos we've got linked for you. I'm sure there's something you would enjoy and find value in. So let's talk about mobile apps. For the most part, every single app that you can buy on the Play Store or the Apple Store is $7 or less. And usually if you go over the $7, it's a
serious investment.
Because who could bear to spend $7 or more on an app? But then you have FiLMiC Pro, where they charge you $15 just for the app, which is a pretty big investment for just a simple app to download on your phone. And like most of you, I went and downloaded it and got FiLMiC Pro. But little did I know that I wasn't purchasing the entire app. As it turns out, if you want to film in log or flat with different presets, adjust saturation and shadows and highlights, that's going to cost you another $15. So in reality, I'm not paying $15 for FiLMiC Pro. I am paying $30 for FiLMiC Pro, which is probably what brought a lot of you to this video. Should you pay another $15 just to get the cinematographer kit? Is it even worth it? Should you buy it? Let me tell you my thoughts. And what it really comes down to is, do color presets matter? Does it matter that you're filming in flat or log? Does it really matter if you're adjusting highlights and shadows? Does it really matter if you're boosting your saturation or lowering the vibrance? And honestly, the answer for probably a lot of people is no, you don't really need to worry about that. I mean, if you're really serious about getting into color grading and, getting a really super good look on your video, then yes, it is worth it. However, if you're just starting your YouTube channel with your phone and you're just starting out recording, just stick with the simple FiLMiC Pro. You don't need to go and upgrade and spend another $15 on this. But that doesn't mean I hate the cinematographer kit. I think it is absolutely awesome. I love filming in flat and in log because what flat and log does is it tries and gather as much detail as possible, so the shadows are basically brought up to where all the detail is visible, and the highlights are tried to decrease, so that way you have all the detail you want, and you can always highlight it and shadow it later in post-production through your video editing apps. And as you can see with these flowers, you can get some pretty crazy effects going on there, where you can have these flowers insanely saturated to where they look almost unrealistic. But just the way log looks, and then when I throw a filter over log, how it looks, it's just so much better than having to film in just the natural mode compared to being able to film in flat or log. So if you're just starting a YouTube channel and you're looking just to start recording videos, don't worry about it. However, if you're wanting to get super advanced, get into some serious color grading and be maybe actually making short films and things like that, yes, go ahead, buy that cinematographer kit. But that's my thoughts. What are your thoughts? I want to hear them. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? If you guys are interested in some other people's opinions, you can go down in the comment section and take a look. But thank you for watching today's video, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one.